Hey gamers, it's Kristin and I have a FabFitFun box for you. I gotta tell you, it certainly seems like the seasons are just a flying by. So I just want to make sure you guys understand this box was sent to me. This is not a sponsored video, they just send me the box. I have all of the information listed below for you on how you can purchase it. This is a seasonal box that comes out. So roughly every quarter, give or take, sells for $50, but I do have a coupon that gives you $10 off. I get a little spiff if you use that. So if you do, thank you. If you don't, no pressure. Whatever works for you. So let's go ahead and jump into this box. This is what it looks like. It actually, I think it comes to everybody the same way as it comes to me. And by that I mean that it used to come just like this, and now it comes in a separate box, which I really like. I'm scooting over here a little bit so that I can put it on pull out my drawer and put it in here, and I can open it up and show you what is in here. I've not peeked, I've not looked at anybody else's. I'm a little bit late in getting this up, as I feel like as usual lately, but so it comes with a sort of a magazine that goes through the different items for you, talks about what's in there, and then it has a bunch of other, information in there as well. All right, so and I like to show you guys, the presentation of it is always very nice. The value in this is usually somewhere between $250 and $300. Really, really good value. I don't think I've ever been disappointed with one of these. So let me get this open here, and we are just gonna jump in. All right, so the first thing that's here is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Now that is awesome. It is a rarity that you will get a mask that isn't like pore cleansing, oil, clean out your clogged pores, like that sort of thing. Rarely do you find one that comes in a box like this that's hydrating, so I'm really excited about that. That'll be fun to try out. The next item here is by Thrive Cosmetics, and you guys know that I have been trying out some items from them that I purchased. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. So it's in the shade Stella, which is Champagne Silver. Nope, lies. So what it says? Champagne Shimmer. Seriously. So looks like this. And I would imagine you could use this all over your lid. It's a very light shade. Or you can use it up here, inner corner, probably lower waterline. So I'm excited. I'm going to add that to my products from Thrive that I am trying. Next is an eye mask, and I've really been enjoying eye masks lately. This is from Blaq, B-L-A-Q. I'm not familiar with that brand, but there's hyaluronic acid in it, and that is never bad. Well, unless you're allergic to it, then it might be bad. All right, this is Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream from Merci for Anthropology. Merci Beauty for Anthropology. Let me just open this up and give it a sniff. You guys, that smells really good. It does smell like a little bit of coconut, but definitely on the sweet side of things. I'm trying to get a little on my hand here without making a big old mess, which may be easier said than done. Yeah, that smells really nice. It's like a warm coconut with a little bit of sweetness, and it worked well into my hand there. So yeah, there's no, well, trying to see if there's any shimmer. Nope, there's no shimmer. I just was curious because of the kind of the way the packaging was. I like to know if I'm gonna be, shimmering. All right. This is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask for Damaged Hair. You guys, if you've watched me for any period of time, you know that I love the Moroccan Healing Oil Treatment. I use that every single time I wash my hair. And this is intense care for dry, damaged hair. So most of these things obviously are geared towards the fact that we're heading into a winter dry season. Oh, that smells nice. Not as lovely as the oil, but it does smell very nice. It's very perfumed, so I have a feeling if fragrances bother you, that this might bother you. Just kind of a heads up there. There's some warm looking things in here. I'm all excited. So this is Women's Over the Knee Textured Richer Poorer, it says. So that must be the brand, Richer Poorer, designed in California, over the knee. I'm going to guess socks. Yes, definitely, so like boot socks. So that's fun, so you guys can hear my chair squeaking. I can't tell if I feel like they're going to be uber warm or not, but those are fun. I don't have any socks like that, so that's awesome. Boy, I feel like there's a lot in this one, you guys. Not that there's not a lot in all of them, but I feel like this one keeps going and going and going. This is by Halston. I feel like I've had that brand before. maybe Nordstrom. I had to open it so I could tell you what it is. It's a jewelry organizer. So it's a nice, beautiful champagne. And then when you open it up, let me get the little sponge things out of here. It has lovely hooks for, so this maybe isn't the right brand. Maybe I'm not thinking of the right brand. Anyway, it doesn't matter. There are hooks for necklaces or bracelets, which I really like. Down here, this is something you can put rings in. I'm assuming that's what it's for. That's what I would use it for. On the other side, you can do rings and earrings, and then there's a pouch here as well. This is awesome. You guys know me. Anything that's for travel, I am all over. So this is awesome. I'm really excited about that. So these look like a Frisbee. It's something that's patented, I can tell you that. You guys, this looks like something I could seriously injure myself using. But these are by Brooke Burke Body, and they are called fitness sliders. And apparently you can go find a video on Brooke Burke Body, v.vhx.tv. So I may give it a shot. I won't be doing a video on me giving it a shot, but I may do a shot. And then lastly, this is from Moroccan Gold, and I've purchased stuff from them before, some monogrammed cocktail napkins and that sort of thing. Just see what this actually says that it is. So it says about Moroccan Gold, we offer a curated selection of beautiful crafted gifts to celebrate the moments for all the people in your life. We believe the art of giving is in the details, which is why we offer hundreds of different monogramming options, and each gift arrives beautifully presented in their complimentary gift wrap. So I'm just going to open this up. I'm assuming that this is a blanket of some sort. It is. It looks like a, well, or maybe it's, no. Is it a shawl? Is it a blanket? Let me consult the book. Okay, it is a color block throw. So I was right to begin with. And by the way, all the boxes are a little bit different. So the one that you get may be a little bit different than mine. So let me try to show you guys here. It's beautiful. So it has a little, I love those colors. It will go great with my chocolate brown couch. So I'm just gonna put this on my lap right now. And that is all of the items that are in the FabFitFun Winter box, my box anyway. I am just going to show you because the items vary. And if you, when you subscribe to this, you can choose some of your items. I don't know exactly how that works because like I said, I do get it for free. But you can see it'll show you, like as I'm looking at this, you know, every box gets this. All members get the chance to customize these options, the ones that have this color with it. And then this one are like select members, and that's if you do an annual subscription. So I think you can go on before it's sent if you do an annual subscription, and you can pick, you know, some of the things. So like this one says you can get this or that, and this or that, and you can go in and choose. So I am thankful for what I get and very excited to use these things. Like I said, I'll list all the information below for you guys if you want to check it out. On my face today, I have the Lancome Tint Idel Foundation. I am in the shade, somebody asked me this the other day, 100N. I think that's the shade that I'm in. On my cheeks, I have the Lorac Blush in Velvet Rope. On my eyes, I have Anastasia Pink Champagne, and then I have MAC, the Shadows by MAC in Sketch on the outer corner, Ho in the crease, a little bit of Shroom upper and inner, and what am I missing? Lips. I was like, I totally forgot. I have MAC Boldly Bare Lip Liner all over my lips. I have MAC Cream Cup over the top of that, and then a little Buxom White Russian over the top of that. Because why stop at 2 lip products when you can use 3? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. And in everything that you do and say, be beautiful. Bye.